So how do you guys at iScholar take that extra effort or take that initiative to make maths learning fun and adventurous?
My answer to them is yes. I have all these ingredients, right, of making it fun for them, like making it very interesting, connecting that to the daily life, right? Stock market, right? Exponential graphs. How does investment banker work? You can earn money through having the trends, right, in the stock market, especially in day-to-day life. You're driving, you're biking, you're cooking, right? You're measuring everything, right? So it's like relatable. So everything is relatable from mathematics, but I can do that till a certain extent. But after that, it's all on to the student.
Yeah,
I can just spark that thing into them. But then to give that consistently throughout his journey, it's his battle.